My name is Aaron Wells, and I'm a vegetation ecologist. In 2021, I moved from Anchorage, Alaska to Washington's Methow Valley. And since my move, I've been documenting occurrences of pine-beetle pines in the North Cascade Range. Pine-beetle pines are conifer trees in the genus Pinus that have 5 needles per bundle. There are 9 species of pine-beetle pine that occur across the western United States and Canada, of which 2 species occur in the North Cascades. Western white pine, Pinus monticola, and whitebark pine, Pinus albicaulis. Six of the 5 needle pine species, including whitebark pine, are found in high elevation forests. Whitebark pine is a keystone species in the subalpine ecosystems where it occurs, meaning other species in an ecosystem largely depend on it to such a degree that if it were removed, the ecosystem would change drastically. Whitebark pine has a mutualistic relationship with Clark's Nutcracker, a bird that depends on the seeds of whitebark pine as a major food source, and which plays a vital role in dispersing whitebark pine seeds across the landscape. A single Clark's Nutcracker disperses tens of thousands of seeds per year, and moves them up to 20 miles from the parent tree, where they store them in small caches. The seeds that the nutcrackers don't eat sprout into new trees. Pine-beetle pines are currently at risk of extirpation, resulting from a combination of climate change, pests and pathogens, and wildfire. White pine blister rust, a pathogen of white pines introduced to North America from Eastern Asia, has been particularly devastating. For instance, in a 2018 article in the scientific journal Forests, the U.S. National Park Service reported that the portion of live whitebark pine infected with blister rust increased in North Cascades National Park from 32% in 2004 to 51% in 2018. And they concluded that the primary driver of whitebark pine decline in the park is white pine blister rust. But not all is lost for pine-beetle pines. Through concerted and coordinated efforts by state and federal agencies like the U.S. Forest Service and National Park Service, conservation groups like the Whitebark Pine Ecosystem Foundation, the Nutcracker Ecosystem Project, and you, we can help create a more positive future for pine-beetle pines. Visit www.elfinwoodecology.org to learn how you can make a difference.